Hello again. This is a deja vu moment for me, as it was only about 8 months ago that I was sitting on the bare frame of our Jeep Wrangler that we built for SEMA, and now here I am sitting on the nearly bare frame of our '48 Chevy. The kids worked really hard to get it to this point, as you'll see in this episode. There's also more work that was done on the Harley as well as the Suburban, and our Subaru engine is out and the other one's about ready to go in.
We remove the leaf spring shackles to remove the rear. As well as the parking brake cables. We remove the oil filter canister to get to the hardware to remove the intake and exhaust manifolds.
In removing the brake lines, some of the fittings were corroded to the lines themselves. Since we're going to be replacing all of the brake lines anyway, we'll just cut these and then remove them that way.
This is the engine we replaced because of blown head gasket. This is the replacement. We prepare for the installation by transferring components from one to the other, such as the power steering pump, the AC compressor, as well as the accessory belt.
We're machining the two front rotors. Putting on a silencer band helps to prevent harmonic vibrations. We begin by making an initial cut by hand. Then set the machine for automatic cutting.
After making sure the caliper slides float freely, we install the new stainless guides, grease them, and install the pads.
Here we're setting the pistons back in their bores on the rear. Then the calipers with new pads are installed.
Where are they? Sliding. There we go.
The new fuel lines come in 3 pieces. The originals are 1 piece. It's easier to cut the old lines out.
Next time on Bulldog Builds, we'll have the rest of the front of the 48 pulled off the frame. We'll have more work done on our Harley. And we'll have our Suburban running and the engine back in the Subaru. See you next week.